Lotto question and answer. So please listen carefully. Who is authorized to stop unsafe work? Answer is all personnel. What are the 5 steps to stop work? Answer is C. Stop, notify, investigate, communicate, and follow up. Next question. Do contractor employee have authority to stop work? Answer is D. Yes. Question. Locking and tagging equipment lets other operators, contractors, or maintenance crews know that the equipment is safe to work on and cannot be. Answer is C. Energized. Question. Isolation, lockout, and hold tag applies to all conditions where unexpected startup of equipment can happen during. Answer is A. Service and maintenance. Question. While equipment is being worked on, isolation and lotto will prevent. Answer is D. A sudden release of energy or accidental startup. Question. An isolation plan is needed for complex or non-routine isolation. Answer is A. True. Question. What do you call the placement of a lockout device onto an energy isolating device? Answer is A. Lockout. Question. Sometimes do not operate warning devices are placed on an energy isolation device. What is this called? Answer is A. Tag out, hold tag. Question. What do you call workers who operate or use equipment or operational process that require servicing or maintenance under isolation and lockout tag out? Answer is B. Affected personnel. Question. You can return a system to service after completing isolation only when any affected personnel or. Answer is A. Clear from the area. Question. The minimum requirements, the roles and responsibilities for proponents, employees, and contractors are defined in. Answer is A. GI 6.012. Question. Ensuring that personal operators comply with the Lotto requirements is the responsibility of department managers, division heads, and. Answer is D. Supervisor. Question. The Lotto procedure is carried out only by personnel who are. Answer is B. Trained and authorized. Question. Circuit breakers and disconnect switches are example of isolating point for. Answer is A. Electrical energy. Question. Potential energy is also known as. Answer is A. Stored energy. Question. What type of lock and tag must be used for isolation and lockout tag out? Answer is A. Saudi Aramco approved lock with one key and a Saudi Aramco tag. Question. Select the type of energy that can cause harm or injury if not isolated. Answer is C. Electrical energy. Question. Select a method of primary isolation for piping equipment. Answer is A. Single block valve. Question. Select a method of positive isolation for piping equipment. Answer is D. Blinding. Question. Select the correct order for the electrical isolation steps. Answer is D. Lock, tag, clear, try. Question. You should always verify that the isolation and lockout and hold tag has been properly done and equipment is ready to work on. Answer is true. Question. For maintenance involving a small number of workers, usually less than 6, a multiple lock clip has can be used at each isolation point. Answer is B. True. Question. Locks and tag can be removed only when. Answer is C. Equipment is safe to re-energize. Question. After completing maintenance, the first step of the Lotto removal procedure is to. Answer is D. Restore the work area. Question. The emergency procedure for the removal of a lockout device is used when. Answer is A. The lock owner is not available. Question. Before Lotto devices are removed, all personnel who need to remain in the area must be. Answer is B. Notified of the startup. Question. An individual lock and tag should only be removed by. Answer is C. The person who installed it. Question. What are the steps to remove isolation, lock and tags when work is completed? Restore the work area, notify affected personnel, remove all lockout device and hold tags, follow the startup procedure. Answer is E. All of the above.